Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with an unboxing and quick setup of my Ring video doorbell. So let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. Nice presentation. Get out the old unboxing knife. It says, "Try me, I can't resist." So we get the doorbell itself. And your usual quick start guide. And here's our mounting plate to replace our old doorbell. And the USB connection in case you have to charge the doorbell itself. Got a level to get that mounting plate just the way it should be. They give you a screwdriver. They really give you all the tools you need, including a bit for a screwdriver and a drill bit, and finally your screws and anchors. So there's our old doorbell. You could see it needed replacing. I'm just going to unscrew that. I've already disconnected the power. Make sure we do that. Now I'm lining up the mounting plate. Make sure that bubble on the level is right in the middle. I'm going to mark holes for the 4 holes I have to drill. And there's the Ring doorbell fully installed. Very easy to do. Now we'll see what happens when someone comes to the door. My wife has rung the doorbell. I'm answering on the phone through the Ring app. Hello.
Hello, Avon calling.
Oh, okay. Just give me a minute. So that's the Ring doorbell, folks. Works over your Wi-Fi system. You can get notifications and talk to anybody from any place you are in the world. I picked mine up on Amazon for $1.99. Comes in antique brass, polished brass, satin nickel like mine, Venetian bronze, or white. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks.